Have you ever had a problem understanding the difference between say, speak, talk, and tell? Getting confused about which one is best to use? Worry no more. After watching this video, you will never get confused again. Greetings, my name is Vitaly. Welcome to Vital English. Let's dive right in. This can be a bit tricky for English learners. The differences and usages between say, speak, talk, and tell. These words might seem similar, but they have distinct meanings and uses. Let's break them down one by one. Say. Say is used when we want to express words, thoughts, or opinions. It's often followed by the word spoken, but we don't usually specify who is being spoken to. Let's look at some examples. She said she was coming to the party. What did he say about the new project? Say can also be used with direct quotes. For example, he said, "I'll be there in 10 minutes. Next one is speak. Speak is very similar to talk, but more formal. It's often used when talking about languages, formal speeches, or when we want to emphasize the act of verbal communication. For example, she speaks 3 languages fluently. I need to speak with the manager. Talk. Talk is more informal than speak. It's used for general conversations and can be more interactive. Unlike say, it can imply a two-way conversation. Examples. We talked for hours about our favorite movies. Can we talk later? I'm a little bit busy right now. Talk can also be used with prepositions about or to. Like, they are talking about their plans for the weekend. Or, I need to talk to you. Next one. Tell. Tell is used when we want to give information or instructions to someone. It is always followed by a person who receives the information. For example, he told me a funny story. And you see, he told me. Can you tell her the truth? We also use tell with specific pieces of information. For example, tell me your name. Or, did you tell him about the meeting? If someone is giving a speech and you want to ask them to say something funny, you can say, tell a joke. It isn't followed by a person receiving the information, but it is implied. It would be the same as tell us a joke. It is quite clear who is the receiver of the information. Let's do a quick recap. You can say something to someone, speak to someone about something, or speak with someone, talk about something, or talk with someone, and tell someone something. Say. Focus on the words spoken, not necessarily who hears them. Speak. Slightly more formal, used for languages and formal settings. Talk. Informal, implies interaction and conversation. Tell always involves giving information to someone specific. Understanding the nuances between say, speak, tell, and talk can greatly improve your English communication skills. Practice using these words correctly in your daily conversations, and you will get the hang of it in no time. If this video helped you understand the topic better, remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to speak like a native English speaker. Speaking of which, every native English speaker will immediately tell that English is not your first language if you answer the question, "How are you?" with "I'm fine, thank you, and you." If you want to know how to properly answer this question, you absolutely must check out this video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the video. Adios.